Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll compare the Notion and Evernote, and we'll discuss which app is the best note-taking app. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves to stay organized, choosing the right tool can make a huge difference. So, starting with Notion, Notion isn't just a note-taking app. It is a full-fledged productivity tool, as you can see on its website. So here what makes it stand out. It has customizable pages and databases on which you can take organizes notes, tasks, and projects. It also has drag and drop blocks, collaborate, and it is also collaboration friendly. But the thing is that Notion has a learning curve and needs an internet connection for full functionality, which makes it a little as a side bag option, I would say. Going towards the Evernote, Evernote is a classic note-taking app which focuses on simplicity and organization. It includes powerful search and tagging, handwritten notes as you can see on the websites, tagging, and also document scanning. It can has offline access and integrations as compared to Notion. And Evernote has a free plan which is limited and premium version can be pricey, which is the real downside of it. So, which one wins? If you have to choose the one which is versatile, all in one workplace, notes and tasks, and all the projects, go for Notion. But if you prefer simple, structured, and powerful note taking app, go for Evernote. Just a side note, for deep organizations, Notion takes the lead, but for quick and effective note taking, Evernote still holds strong. So I hope with that this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.